So I got the wing windows installed, but unfortunately these clips broke on the driver's door, and then the lock clip broke on the passenger door, and currently I'm stuck inside the vehicle. You know, one of the most aggravating things about owning an old Cherokee is that none of the door locks or door handles work properly. I mean, it's always a crapshoot if you're gonna be able to unlock your door or open your door, for that matter. And I bought updated latches. And it never seems to turn out. I think that is the lock. And that is my latch. Which is, I don't know. I think it needs some adjustment.